The first thing you should look at when you're analyzing your existing acquisition channels is channel volume. So pull up your favorite analytics platform and find out what are your top acquisition channels. What channels are driving the most new visitors or the most installs? And then look closely at the ones that are driving the most traffic. Remember the power law. The highest growth companies drive most of their acquisition from one, maybe two channels. And then you can ask, can these channels be scaled further? How can you drive even more volume from your top 1 to 2 channels? Remember, you want to double down first on what's working, not diversify. This is going to require some channel-specific expertise. So, for example, if one of your top channels is SEO, you should probably make sure you know a decent amount about SEO to figure out how to do that. And then finally, if you spend a lot of effort trying to maximize one of these channels and the volume just keeps flattening out despite trying some creative new things, it may be saturated and it may be time to find a new channel, which we'll learn more about later on.